Hi guys, welcome back. Subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you won't miss any of my videos in the future. Today we are going to make a lip sleeping mask which will hydrate your lips overnight, making your lips naturally pink and plum. For this you will need 100% pure beeswax. So I have grated 1 teaspoon of beeswax. Now you need 100% pure shea butter. I have taken around 1 teaspoon of shea butter. Then you will need 1 teaspoon of pure virgin coconut oil. Last but not least, this is optional, any colored lipstick of your choice, just to give a color to the lip sleeping mask. So now let's start making this. So we are going to use double boiling method to make this lip mask. So take a bowl of hot boiling water and place a smaller bowl into it and add 1 teaspoon of shea butter into the smaller bowl. The melting process will take a bit of time, so be patient, or else you can do this double boiling method on the stove. Please do not microwave this as it can kill all the goodness of the product. So now add 1 teaspoon of beeswax and stir carefully, making sure not to let the water get inside the smaller bowl. Now add 1 teaspoon coconut oil and also add a pinch of your favorite lipstick just to add a bit of color, and stir carefully and let it melt completely. Now that it's melted completely, take the smaller bowl carefully out of the bigger bowl and pour this into a clean container for storage. Now you can refrigerate this for around 30 minutes to 1 hour before using it. After it's completely set, you can start using this. If you live in a hot climate, then refrigerate this, or else you can store this in room temperature for up to 1 year. Apply this the way you apply any lip balm. Preferably apply this at night before going to bed and wake up with very soft, smooth pink lips. By the way guys, you can apply this any time of the day if you want, like in the morning or whenever your lips feel dry, you can apply this and it will instantly moisturize your lips. This lip sleeping mask will eliminate all your problems and will repair your lips overnight, making your lips pink, baby smooth and soft. By the way guys, all the ingredients and the purchase links of the beeswax and shea butter will be available in the description box below. Try this at home. I'm sure you guys are going to love this. So that's it for this video guys. If you enjoyed this video, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and also click on the bell icon to turn on the notifications so that you will get notified every time I upload a new video. Share this with your friends and family, and you can also follow me on my Instagram and other social media. The links will be in the description box below. Thank you guys. Bye. Love you.